It is day 32 of 91 living on a cruise ship. Yes, my windows need to be cleaned, but it's a beautiful day outside. In my window, I have M&Ms, 2 Diet Cokes. Yeah, but this is the view. I have been up since 5:30 this morning working. So I am on Pacific time and I needed to start doing things really early because a lot of the people that I work with are on Eastern time. So 5:30 I woke up and started my day. But now I'm gonna get in the shower, you're gonna get ready with me, and we have to go to our last tea time for this cruise. The cruisers are getting off in less than 48 hours. This was a 16-day run. So we'll be saying bye to Jim and Cassie. They will be at tea today. This is how my room looks right now. I was over here doing work. Another Diet Coke can. My makeup's just spilled out everywhere. Here's our small bathroom. I'm going to take a shower and get ready. We've got Pete's products. We've got my products. There I am. Hello. Because the shower is so small, I don't even use this shower curtain at all. Let's move this. Which way? There we go. So the fun news is that my parents are coming in 2 days. Like, not tomorrow, but the next day. So what? That's less than 48 hours. Mom just texted me. She just left the Denver, Colorado airport and she's on the way to San Diego. Being able to cruise with my parents for 2 months is such a gift. Like, I'm very, very thankful and grateful for that. Yes, they are going to have their own cabin. No, they're not going to live in this cabin with us for 2 months. They'll have their own cabin and I'll do a cabin tour when they get here, but I need to get in the shower. I'll see you all in a bit. Okay, the shower is done, but I need to do my hair because after tea time later on today, we are going to dinner at the specialty restaurant Pinnacle with one of Pete's friends that happens to be on, like, doing contract work on board. And so we're going to go to dinner with him. And of course, we're going to take you with us. By the way, that was that Elemis superfood that I did a video on earlier today. Curling irons. This is my curling iron. All of you are buying these brand new curling irons. I've had mine for, I don't know how many years. This is a Conair curling iron, 1.5 inch barrel. I've had it for, I don't know, the label is worn off of it, but I've had it for, like, I think over 7 years. Anyways, I have to do my hair. I have to do my makeup. Let's do that transition thing like this. Bye. And just like that, we are ready to go to tea. I have on my Larimar jewelry from Dune Jewelry, and Larimar is found only in the Dominican Republic, but it reminds me of the ocean. Look at how beautiful that is. I could wear it on either side. And we have a really cool new collection coming out that I designed with Holly, and so I can't wait for you to see it. And I know someone's gonna come at me in the comments asking, Christine, what lipstick are you wearing? It is House of Labs Atomic Lip Lacquer. Stays shiny. No, I don't have a code or anything for it. You can get it wherever you want to. I think it's at Ulta or Sephora. But I'm gonna show you after tea how shiny it still is. Okay, I gotta go get dressed because they're not gonna allow me in tea time in my robe. Girls, I don't use filters, but I do use this. Ah, it makes me look so much better. Look at when I attach this. Look at that. And then watch when I take it off. And when I put it on, wow. And when I take it off, just to let you know, it's like $5. So this is what I'm wearing to tea time. I'm wearing just one of my tops I got on Amazon. I'm wearing one of my skirts, and I'm wearing my OC shoes. I think they're on Cloud. I don't know. I wear them all over the ship. Need to grab my key card, turn off the lights, and let's go. So these cruisers were on a 16-day cruise. Tomorrow is their last day at sea. By the way, when I was doing my makeup, my mom texted and her and dad have arrived in San Diego. So they're ready to board the ship. I always tell people, always come in at least 1 day before your cruise. But because it is wintertime, I had my parents come in 2 days before the cruise because I'm smart. Got the elevators and we need to go down to deck 5. It's Wednesday. Sorry, I meant deck 4. Elevator dance, mom and dad are on their way. Never mind, it was 5. Now I have to take the steps. We're at tea time. Hi. The guys are over here.
Hello, everybody.
And here's our snacks that we're having. And we have a great table right by the water. So with that, we're gonna enjoy tea time. I'll see you later. Say hi to our florist friend.
Hello. Once again, I'm the florist on board.
I'll put him down below again so you can follow him. You guys need
Yes,
to do
just
that.
follow me, draw the paray.
Okay, we just got done with tea time. Now we're gonna order a burger. I'm gonna order the cannonball, grab my pager. Okay, the pager's gone off. Then you grab your burger from here. Thank you so much. Then I'm going back to sit with my friend, Jim. Guys, I'm gonna once again put Jim below. You have to follow him. He's doing like so many cruises coming up. Okay, let's take a bite of this big old burger. This is what it looks like. So good. Okay, so Jim and I were just sitting at lunch and we were talking about sometimes trolls like come onto my account and other people's accounts, and he said the most coolest thing just now.
Nitrogen and stupidity are the two most common elements on Earth.
Hear that, trolls? Okay, I'm back from tea time and I had a burger. I had tea, snacks, and a burger, and look, my lipstick is still on. I don't even know why I'm telling you guys this. I'm not selling the product or anything. I just wanted you to see that this stuff, like, it works. Anyways, tonight we are going to dinner at Pinnacle. I need to clean up my room a little bit and maybe also go outside and take a little walk. So I'll see you guys later. Bye.